Bounty hunters are people whose jobs is go to after skip. Skip are people who either escape from police custody or never show up to their court dates. Sometimes skip are dangerous criminals who commit terrible crimes like murder or rape, but most often skip are people who have committed more minor crimes, things like having drugs or failing to pay child support for their children. Sometimes criminals who run away from the police or don't show up at court are able to hide by their friends and family, or they may flee to another country where the laws are different from the law of their native country. In this case, the police may offer a special reward or penalties for anyone to have to capture the fugitive. This is where the term bounty hunter comes from. Bounty hunters are not official members of the law enforcement community, but they have a special role to play nonetheless. They are paid to go after the captured criminal that the police are unable to find or are unable to capture. Sometimes the bounty hunter or reward is small, just a few $1,000s. Other times, however, the rewards can be quite large, up to several $1,000,000. For example, in 2003, the United States put a $25 million bounty out for Osama bin Laden. If a bounty hunter were to find and capture Osama bin Laden, he or she would become a very rich person. Bounty hunter operates outside jurisdiction or boundary, which means that they can go anywhere to catch a criminal while most police cannot. For example, a police officer in New York can go to California to follow a suspected criminal. He or she must wait until the police in California catch the criminal or the criminal returns to New York. In most cases, if a criminal that a person is suspected of is relatively minor or small, the police may not spend time and money to trace the person. However, if a person is wanted for a serious or dangerous crime, the police may send out notice offering reward to whoever captures the suspect. This is where bounty hunters come in. Is bounty hunting legal? The answer is both yes and no. In most states, it is legal to go after people who have skipped bail. Skip bail is when a person commits a crime in a city or a state and then they try to run away to another city or state before his or her court date. For many situations in the US and Canada, if someone commits a minor crime, he or she can pay some money to court and stay out of jail until the court date. This money is called bail. If a person goes to court on the appointed date, then they get money back. If they miss the court appointment, then they lost the money and must to go jail for a long time if they are caught by the police or bounty hunter. Many states also allow bounty hunters who have special licenses to go after dangerous criminals called felons, but some do not allow this at all. Illinois, Kentucky, and Oregon have laws against bounty hunting, while California only allows it up to 180 days after the skip flees. Interestingly enough, in the states that allow bounty hunting, people are allowed to break the law in order to catch a fugitive.